Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting an Instagram story post. This one will be super quick. What you have to do is, first of all, view your story. Now at the bottom right of your story post, tap the More button. From here you can tap on Delete and this will delete the post from your story. I'll do it one more time. So open your story like normal, tap the More button and then tap Delete. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.